Today I'm going to be planting 4 privacy trees thanks to Nationwide Plants. I'm so excited for you to see how beautiful their trees are. Let's do it. Right here, I have one box which contains 2 trees. I'm so excited to unbox this. For size reference, I am 5'3", and this is exactly how the trees were delivered. It's so easy. They come in this box. We can simply just uncut, open the box, and the trees are going to be ready to plant. Let's open this up. I don't want to make you wait any longer.
Removing the trees from the box was as simple as cutting the plastic straps, opening up the box, and then standing each of the trees up individually. I would also like to point out that this project was absolutely doable on my own, from moving the boxes from where they were dropped off to unboxing them and lifting the trees out of the boxes themselves. Nationwide Plants has truly done a fantastic job at simplifying the process all the way from purchasing the plants to unboxing and planting them.
The spaces for the trees have been marked. They are measured 5 feet away from each other. Let's get digging.
If you have questions during the planting process, you can certainly reach out to them. I had a few questions regarding the soil and a few other details along the way, as this is my first time tackling on a project like this. They replied quickly and efficiently, answered all of my questions, and helped me so that way my plants will grow healthy and strong. Let's take a moment to discuss what type of trees these are and a little bit about them. Today I'm planting the Thuja green giant trees. The ones that I chose were 4 to 5 feet tall each. I am honestly not surprised about the 5-star reviews that these trees have, because not only are they beautiful, the entire process has been so easy. This is a low maintenance, fast growing privacy tree where you can get growth up to 5 feet per year. Personally, I love that these are low maintenance trees, and they are also drought and disease resistant, which is so important. As a relatively new plant mom, I am also very happy that their site specifies what growing zone you're in and then also gives guidance on the recommended zones for the selected plants you're currently looking at. For example, my growing zone is 6. The recommended zones for these specific trees are 5 to 8, so I know that these were a great option for my location. I'd also love to highlight the fact that when you make a purchase at Nationwide Plants, it will lead to the planting of mangrove trees in Kenya. I always have a soft spot in my heart for brands and businesses that give back to the communities as well as small businesses overall. As you can see in the video right now, I am compacting and stepping down quite hard on the soil. I want to make sure to pack it down in order to prevent any air bubbles near the roots. Follow along and stay tuned, because this is only the beginning of these trees. I'm very excited to watch these grow and be a sustainable option to achieve the privacy goals that I am looking for in my outdoor oasis. Make sure to check out Nationwide Plants for privacy trees, flowering, fruit trees, shrubs, houseplants, and more.